Henan Shun, Yubei Grain and Oil Machinery Company Limited, established in 2016, which is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of grain and oil machinery. With the improving management level, it has passed the certification of ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System over the years based on the strong technical force, high product development capability, advanced machinery manufacturing facility, scientific management, and excellent after-sales services. Yubei brand is quite famous in China and some overseas countries and regions. As a supplier of grain and oil equipment, our machines covers maize, corn flour, and grits milling machine, wheat flour milling machine, rice milling machine, millet milling machine, and kinds of coarse processing line, such as wheat kernel, quinoa, sorghum, barley, buckwheat, and so on. Different capacity available from 5 tons to 500 tons per day to meet the different requirement of different clients. We can also customize the production line according to clients' specialty requirement, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our machines selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Australia, Venezuela, Chile, Argentina, South Africa, Uganda, Malawi, Congo, etc. Quality is the life of an enterprise. Adhering to customers' satisfaction is our goal. We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.
Henan Yubei Grain and Oil Machinery is a professional manufacturer and have many years' experience on rice mill machine, maize, wheat flour mill machine. Welcome the customer from the world to visit our factory and establish cooperation with each other.